Leetcode Daily Challenge. Question 1339. Maximum product of splitted binary tree. This is a medium problem. We are asked to find out the maximum product of two subtrees. So how many options do we have? Imagine any nodes and there's gonna be an edge connected itself to its parents. We can definitely remove this edge, which means the number of the possible answer will be the number of nodes except the root nodes. Once we remove the edge, the child and all its children gonna be a new subtree, and the sum of that new subtree is something we are interested in. So I'm gonna do a DFS test. Say the first time I'm going to do a DFS to find out all the summations of all subtrees, including the root node. Find out the sum of the subtrees because all of them gonna be a candidate subtree. The second time I will do the DFS again to see which one gonna have the maximum product, because once we know the sum of a subtree, the other subtree will be the total sum minus the sum, and the total sum will be always the same. We can get it from along with the DFS, and we only need to calculate that once. But these two terms of DFS is an approach to solve this problem.